Do you ever feel like the day just slips through your fingers? That you're constantly doing, thinking, rushing, but never really being? Being brings you into the present moment so you can experience life to the fullest. But when you practice it, it might feel awkward, uncomfortable, or maybe even boring. I mean, who wants to meditate when there's a whole world out there waiting to be experienced? But here's the truth. Mindfulness isn't about escaping the world. It's about experiencing it more fully, and it's simpler than you think. Today you'll discover 5 simple ways to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. Ways that don't require you to climb a mountain or chant at the top of your lungs. These are small, subtle shifts that can transform your daily life into a more peaceful, focused, and joyful experience. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and get ready to find mindfulness in the everyday magic that surrounds you. What is mindfulness? Before we dive into the 5 ways to enhance your daily life with mindfulness, let's first understand what mindfulness truly is. Because in a world full of gurus and quick fixes, it's easy to lose sight of the simplicity and power of this practice. In its essence, mindfulness is the ability to be fully present. It's about noticing what's happening inside of you and around you without judgment. So often, we find ourselves lost in thoughts about the past or worries about the future. We let our minds race without anchoring ourselves to the present. Mindfulness invites us to bring our attention back to where we are right now. It's about recognizing your thoughts without feeding into them, acknowledging your emotions without letting them control you. Think of your mind as a busy highway with thoughts whizzing by like cars. Mindfulness isn't about stopping the traffic, because that's impossible, but about stepping onto the overpass and watching the thoughts go by without immediately jumping into the stream of cars. This takes practice, yes, but it's a skill like any other. And with consistent effort, you can train your mind to stay present. The benefits of this practice are far-reaching. It reduces stress and anxiety, improves focus and concentration, and helps you savor the beauty of everyday moments. So as we move forward, keep this core idea in mind: being fully present. Let's now explore 5 simple yet transformative ways to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. Practice 1. Start your day mindfully. Our days are often filled with commitments, tasks, and deadlines, which can leave us feeling overwhelmed and stressed. It's easy to wake up and immediately jump into the hustle and bustle without taking a moment to set the tone for a peaceful day. So here's a simple yet powerful way to start your day mindfully. As soon as you wake up, before checking your phone or getting out of bed, take a few deep breaths, close your eyes, and bring your attention to the sensations in your body. Feel the weight of the blanket on top of you. Listen to the sounds around you. Even if it's just for a minute, this quiet reflection can make a world of difference. You can also use this time to set an intention for the day. Think about the kind of energy you want to bring into the world and the kind of day you want to have. By setting a positive intention, you're guiding yourself towards a more mindful and fulfilling day. So try it out. Take a minute to be still. Connect with your surroundings and set a positive intention for the day ahead. You'll be surprised at how much more peaceful and focused you'll feel. Practice 2. Find mindfulness in motion. Many people believe that mindfulness requires sitting in silence and emptying your mind, which, while possible, isn't the only way. In fact, you can practice mindfulness while walking, eating, or doing almost anything. Walking is a perfect example. The next time you go for a walk, whether it's around the block or in a park, pay attention to the sensations in your body. Feel the ground beneath your feet, the breeze on your skin, and the movement of your body as you walk. This practice, sometimes called mindful walking, can be a great way to connect with your body and the present moment. By focusing on the physical sensations of walking, you're grounding yourself in the here and now. You're not thinking about the past or worrying about the future. You're simply present with the experience of walking itself. It's a chance to appreciate the simple act of walking that so many of us take for granted. It can be a peaceful and rejuvenating experience that brings you back to the present moment. Practice 3. Mindful eating. How often do you sit down to eat without even realizing it? We often eat on autopilot, distracted by work, TV, or our phones. But mindful eating can be a powerful way to reconnect with your body and the food you consume. It's about paying full attention to the experience of eating. Next time you sit down to eat, put away distractions and focus on the meal in front of you. Notice the colors, textures, and aromas of the food. Eat slowly, savoring each bite, and paying attention to the flavors and textures in your mouth. This practice can help you appreciate your food more, which in turn can lead to better digestion and a greater sense of satisfaction. It's a chance to reconnect with your body's hunger and fullness cues, and to truly enjoy the nourishment that food provides. So take a break from the distractions of everyday life and practice mindful eating. It's not just about what you eat, it's about how you eat it. Practice 4. 1-minute breathing reset. We live in a world that demands constant productivity. Deadlines, meetings, and notifications pull our attention in 1,000 different directions. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and scattered, which is where the 1-minute breathing reset comes in. This simple practice can be done anywhere, anytime, to help you regain your focus and center yourself. When you feel scattered, stressed, or just need a moment of clarity, take a moment to close your eyes and focus on your breath. Breathe in deeply for a count of 4. Hold for 4 and then exhale slowly for a count of 6. Repeat this cycle 3 times and watch as you feel your body relax and your mind becomes clearer. This technique can be a powerful tool to help you manage stress, improve focus, and bring more mindfulness into your daily life. It's a reminder that you always have the power to find calm amidst the chaos. So try it out and experience the benefits of this 1-minute breathing reset for yourself. Practice 5. Mindful listening. In a world where everyone wants to be heard, how often do we really listen? We live in a culture that often values what we say more than what we hear. But mindful listening is a powerful way to connect with others and show up more fully in relationships. It's about giving someone your full attention, really hearing what they have to say, and responding in a thoughtful manner. It means putting aside distractions, making eye contact, and allowing the speaker to share their thoughts and feelings without interruption. Mindful listening can be transformative in all aspects of your life. It can deepen your relationships, improve communication, and foster a sense of connection and empathy. So make a conscious effort to practice mindful listening in your daily interactions. You'll be amazed at the impact it can have on you and those around you. And remember, you don't have to do all of these practices at once. Pick one. Maybe start with the 1-minute breathing reset and work your way from there. Consistency is key in building any new habit, so start small, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the journey of incorporating mindfulness into your daily life. I hope this video has inspired you to find more mindfulness in your everyday life. Remember, it's not about clearing your mind, but about being present with whatever is going on. Try one of these practices today and experience the difference it can make. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a day filled with presence and peace.